All right, so we're gonna be going through some watch lists for tomorrow. We'll be going over my plan going into FOMC tomorrow. So I'm just gonna go through some stocks, do a little scanning here, find some setups. First I'm gonna go through my day trading stocks that I'm gonna look at. See if we can find any setups here. So ARM has earnings tomorrow, so not gonna play that. Netflix, no setup. No setup. Maybe we'll put this on a maybe. Nvidia, I mean, yeah, right on this 115 spot we could probably look at. I'll put a maybe on that one. I'm trying to find like the A plus setups, like A plus. Google, not terrible. Tesla. It's kind of in a range here. It's 270 and 295. What's the weekly look like? If this weekly can flip green, that'd be nice. I still think we can see 350 soon. Yeah, I mean that's, yeah, I can see 350 happening if we can get over 300. We definitely have to get over 295 first. Yeah, way to get over these highs here. I don't see any setups here on this. This is like stuck in between the 9 and the 21 year. Had a nice little bounce here from the 21, but just no setups here. Hood. Potentially hood too. I'll put this on watch. SMCI. This had earnings too. What did it do? Where's stocks? Let's go through some stocks here. What's Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin looks pretty good. What did Upstart do for earnings? Damn, it's gapping down here. Interesting. Let me look at it. I know we have one good setup here on Costco. Yeah, I'm still watching this one over 118. Yeah, this is probably one of my favorite setups right now. All right, basically we filled in this gap here over 1,000. So over 1,000, we filled in this gap here. But if we can get over 117, at 118, I think this thing gets sent to the highs here. So like 1,075, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna put this on my watch here. Put Costco in here. Focus list. If we see this break, I think we definitely can see Probably 42 here. 42, and then definitely in the 50s. So my target's there, yeah. Is there any... Let me see these options here. What's my Wednesday? The 1050 calls are pretty cheap, and they can really run here, especially for FOMC. If FOMC, the reaction's good. Honestly, that looks... They're sitting at 87 a piece here. Those look good. I'm going to be watching those, and then probably next week's... I don't really like next week's either. Is there earnings next week? No. Honestly, these are, yeah. The 1050s look good, but that's it. I think Spotify was another good one. Yeah, Spotify's at these all-time highs here. I'm just gonna watch for an all-time high break. We could probably come see like 700 here. We're definitely probably gonna hit 700 if we get over all-time highs. I'll put this in there as well. Spotify looks really good. I don't know how Spotify options look though. We have a double inside day. This can really pop here. Over 653, yeah. I do have my alert over there. Let's see what the options look like. Why are they so expensive? Dude, they're sitting at right at the money, are sitting at 1,000 a piece. And it expires in 2 days. That makes 0 sense. What do the next weeks look like? Yeah, they're gonna be expensive, but damn, I don't know if I like these at all. I would have to go deep here. I don't even think those look... Yeah, those aren't even good either. I'm on another screen, so you're probably not going to be able to see it, but I'm looking at the options chain on the other screen. Just letting y'all guys know. The 650s are just like... Those have the most volume on them, but... the spreads between the bid and ask are just terrible. Okay, we'll put this on the watch, but we probably won't trade that. Let's go see what else we have. Solar was strong today. What's Solar doing? It's not a good name to trade, really. Hims was huge today. Damn, this was down 10%. Oh, earnings. Came down some support though. Damn, Reddit was down. Uber. Oh, they have earnings wrong. China looks good, huh? Yeah, China was doing good today. Damn, nuclear. There was some news on nuclear today, so that's probably why. think OKLO has a good setup. No. The earnings coming up too. I think I saw someone post. Was it Okta maybe? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Is it all-time high? Oh no. I mean, damn, this hasn't. Looks like it's getting over like a stage 1 base here. Damn, bro, this thing was straight at 300. This doesn't look that bad, actually. Dude, over 118 looks not that bad. I'm gonna look at the. Never traded this name before, so I don't know if it's gonna look good on the options part. The 120s for next week don't look that bad, actually. Some decent volume on them too. 125s don't look that bad either. Let's see how far these can go. The 130s for June are really nice. June 20. The 130s aren't that bad, actually. I mean, this has a lot of room to run. I mean, we basically just... I mean, look at this. It's higher, just... Yeah. I wouldn't be surprised here. I mean, I'll put this over there. Wait. Oh my god. Swing. I like this name as well. Setting up. I don't know if I'm gonna look. I don't know. We'll see about this one. We'll also see about that one as well. Let's go through some stocks over here. I'm gonna go through them over here, and then if I see one that looks good, I'll put them over here. Verizon doesn't look that bad, actually. I don't think I've ever traded this name. We got a huge little... Potential breakout? Question mark. Maybe. I don't know. Let's see, I'll do these. Damn, UPS. It's terrible. Looks like a good downside setup here. Jeez. Dude, we're like a... Oh my god, look all... %60 from the high. I mean, this looks like a good downside setup. I mean, I don't know if I would... It is breaking down here. Could come down to the 90s. Honestly, doesn't really trade that well. I'll keep looking. Usually I want to find like at least like 7, like 5 to 10 stocks that I want to watch like before the night, or like going into tomorrow morning, and then I'll pick a few more out, like before they open, whichever ones like look the best pre-market. That's kind of just what I usually do. They did have Tempest AI doesn't look that bad. As in like a Ivy Crush. Yeah. Oh shit, what'd I do? I wish I can show both screens so y'all can see what I'm looking at, but I'll move them on. I'll move them over here. Snow doesn't look that bad, actually. I feel like we need to set up a little bit more here. Over the 170s, though, it doesn't look that bad. I think I wasn't. Pretty sure. I thought they looked good. I thought they were good today. I guess S&P was it S&P red today? Yeah, it was. I mean, held up pretty well compared to the rest of the market. Adobe held up. A lot of these software names look good. CrowdStrike, is this all-time high here? Yeah. I don't know if snow doesn't look that bad, actually, now that I think about it. So I got a little tight range here. No, I don't know if it like that. It's not really A+. That's more like a B-. So, keep moving. We only look for A+. Damn. A lot of these good setups have like earnings tomorrow or Thursday. Which kind of ruins it. Damn, mRNA got crushed today. What the fuck? 12% today? What the fuck happened? Something must have happened. Interesting. I don't know if I see a lot of setups. Earnings. I don't want to trade anything with earnings. Damn, Lily got crushed. Again. Jeez. Jeez. Damn, USC going crazy. Dude, if there wasn't earnings tomorrow, Carvana would be, that'd be a great setup. CLBR is like one of the best setups I've ever seen. Just kidding, not ever, but like, dude, this looks, oh my, dude, this wants to explode. What the, dude, setting up. Dude, this is, it doesn't get tighter than this. Literally doesn't get tighter than this. This is getting coiled. Pretty sure like Donald Trump's son is like behind this. He said something, he tweeted about it. Guess there's some news coming soon. I don't know. Damn, Celsius doesn't look that bad. It's an ugly looking daily chart, but man, that's still a lot of volume. Every time I've ever traded that name, I've always lost a trade too, so I'm not touching that. Damn. I missed a lot of good trades today. Jeez. Dude, honestly, I think AVGO is not that bad. I mean, this would be like a day. This would be strictly day trade, in my opinion. Just gonna flag in here. Dude, if we get over 201, which is basically that high day from today, this would be kind of like a scalp. 201 to 203, and then 203 to 205. That doesn't look that bad, actually. I like that. I think it's gapping up here too. Overnight. Or in the aftermarket. Yeah, I already actually gapped. Yeah. It's actually sitting here it's literally sitting exactly at 203. So it broke out over 201 here in the aftermarket. That's great. If this thing can set up here, it would look good for continuation upside. do like that though. Dude, there's so many earnings tomorrow. Oh my god. This would be an amazing setup if it didn't have earnings tomorrow. I mean, we got getting over the moving averages here, setting up double inside day. If this thing can get over to 309, earnings is definitely going to push us to at 350 if it's positive reaction. Yeah, there's not many setups I see, really. Yeah, Costco and AVGO look good. What were the other ones I thought that looked pretty good? NVIDIA over 115. Yeah. Hourly doesn't look that bad either. It's kind of setting up similar to AVGO. Somewhat, not really, but yeah, I mean, honestly, that 115 is a big spot here. 3-hour chart. I'm trading on a 3-hour chart. So weird. Yeah, if we can get over 115, we can easily get to. I mean, I think 118 is just like a straight shot to it, to be honest. 118, 120, 117. I'll throw this in there. So yeah, those are my setups for tomorrow. Video. What was the other one? There was another one, I think. Watch this. Hood. I think Hood only looked good on the weekly, I think. Yeah, the weekly chart was really looking beautiful. Yeah, I'll throw that in there. I don't know if I'm going to trade this tomorrow, but it's definitely looking good, setting up. But yeah, those are my watch lists for tomorrow. Hopefully we'll get some good trades out of tomorrow to make another recap video. But yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's pretty much what I'm gonna be watching tomorrow. Let's see. Well, let's go through the indices first. So the S&P, what are we looking at here? Kind of just like just minimal action here the last few days. Definitely setting up for FOMC tomorrow. I honestly think, dude, if we get any type of like big moves, we're either coming to 540. We're literally coming either down to 540 or 575. That's just my opinion. I don't know why. I feel like a big move's happening. But I mean, who knows? Honestly, if it's negative, well, I mean, we could easily just like not even move at all. Someone just like trap a bunch of just burn a lot of premiums tomorrow, but the VIX, yeah. Where the Q's going. Yeah, same thing. I mean, we can eat. I mean, I see 493 or 460 here. We'll see though. Look, we'll hopefully get some good moves tomorrow, so we can get some good trades. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me get off of this. How do you get off here?